Basic method. Today we want to start proportion. So this is where we don't just learn tricks, we learn systems and processes that will give your child a solid foundation in mathematics. So proportion, let's consider this question. It said 5 pencils cost 200 naira. What will be the cost of 20 pencils? So there are just two types of proportion. We have direct and we have the inverse or indirect proportion. So whenever we talk about direct, it simply means that the value of the two variables rises together or decreases together. So let's consider this question. For cost of any goods is going to be a direct proportion. So far is direct proportion. As the number of pencils increases, the price, the cost, the amount you are going to pay for it increases. And as you decrease the number of pencils that you want to buy, the price or the amount that you are going to pay also decreases. So that means this question is what is direct proportion. So it said 5 pencils is 200. So I'm very sorry, naira. So we now said how much will be 20 pencils. 20 pencils. So let's make it our what? X. So far as this one increases, this one also increases. So what do we have now? We can simply place it over each other because both of them increase. So we can say 5 over 20 is equal to 200 over x. So we cross multiply. So we are having 5x is equals to 20 times what? Times 200. So our x will be equals to 20 times 200 over 5. So 5 can go in 20. So 5 here 1 and 5 here 4. That means our answer is 800 naira. So if 5 pencils will cost 200, 20 pencils is solid foundation in mathematics. So we continue from proportion. Let's consider this question. 7 workers dig a piece of ground in 10 days. How long will 5 workers take? So in the last episode, I told you that we have two different types of proportion. We have direct, inverse or indirect proportion. We dealt with direct last time. We want to look at inverse. So this is an example of an inverse proportion. In inverse proportion, the two variables, they go opposite. When one variable increases, the other decreases, and while other decreases, the other one increases. So let's consider this question. 7 workers dig a piece of ground. So seven workers, they dig it in how many days? In 10 days. In 10 days. He said, how long will 5 workers? So let's have it as a x days. So far it is inverse. One side will be increasing while the other side will be decreasing. So we place them as fraction over each other. While one is increasing, the other is decreasing. So that means we invert the other one. So here we have 7 over 5. 7 over 5 is equal to, so we invert this now, x over what? X over 10. So what do? We cross multiply. So that is going to be 5x is equals to 7 times 10. So therefore our x will be equals to 7 times 10 divided by 5. This 5 can divide 10. So 10 divided by 5, that is 2. 5 divided by 5, that's 1. So we are left with 7 times 2, which means that is 14 days. So when we are dealing with inverse proportion, one of the variables increases while other decreases. This is the shortest method possible to solve inverse proportion. Subscribe to Basic Method at youtube.com. Please share, like, and comment. See you in the next episode.